by the left hook coming from Suganov, and another one. Ishizawa is down. Three-punch combination, all power shots. Another connection to the head, and throwing in the power. The side of Ishizawa. It's over.
Magandang araw sa inyo mga idol. Ang atin pong itatampok sa video natin ito ay ang naging laban ng ating kababayan na tubong Bohol na si Reggie Suganov, na kung saan ay nakalaban po nito ang knockout puncher nito bansang Japan na si Kai Ishizawa. Dumayo ang Hapon sa Pilipinas para baklasin ng titulong pinanghawakan ng ating kababayan. At dito na nga ay ang WBO Global Light Flyweight title belt. Isa po itong si Kai Ishizawa sa pinagmamalaking boksingero ng bansang Japan. Kaya naman ay sigurado na mapapasabak sa pitpitang laban ng ating kababayan. Ang laban po na ito ay isinagawa ng PMI Boxing Stable. Kaya po ay kung gusto niya pong mapanood ang kabuuan ng laban, ay iiwan ko po dito sa ating description ang link nitong video. Si Kai Ishizawa ay daladala ang kartada ng 11 panalo, may 3 talo, at mayroong 10 na-knockout dito sa kanyang 11 na ipanalong mga laban. Samantala ito naman pong ating kababayan ay may 14 na panalo, may 1 talo, at mayroong 4 na na-knockout sa kanyang 14 na naipanalo mga laban. Kaya naman ay bago po natin masaksihan ang laban na ito ay maaari nyo po bang ilagay dito sa ating comment section kung saan po kayo naroroon, para sa gayon ay malaman natin kung hanggang saan nga ba ang inaabot nitong ating ginagawang video. Daghang salamat mga idol. Sa unang bahagi pa lamang ng laban ay maagang binakbakan nitong si Suganov ang kanyang Hapon na nakalaban. Kumbagay binakbakan agad nitong si Reggie Suganov ng malalakas na suntok itong si Kai Ishizawa. Para sa gayon ay maipakita ng ating kababayan na bagamat mababa ang kanyang knockout ratio, ay hindi rin ito dapat maliitin ang kanyang kakayahang bumato ng mga naglalakasang suntok. Pero hindi naman po nagpapatinag ang Hapon dahil sa talagang gumaganti din ito ng suntok sa ating kababayan.
Something that Suganov has to be very careful of. Suganov suffered his first loss in his career just last year, last July 2. Sa unang biyahe niya pa sa labas ng Pilipinas, that was against Sivanati Lodzinga in South Africa. And he was going for the title at the time. Konting hintay lang, nakuha naman niya ulit ang titulo ng WBO Global Junior Flyweight by virtue of that win against the Venezuelan, etong si Ronald Chacon. So dito po sa round number 1, medyo nagkakapaan pa sila. Again, scheduled for 12, and usually the longer fights would favor the Filipino, who's more of a boxer, a stylist, and he is a power hitter, but now he's displaying some power. 4-punch combination, no response for Ishizawa. Reminds you a lot itong si Suganov of a very young Luisito Espinosa, the way he's built, and the hand speed perhaps of a Rolando Navarrete. Of course, the light flyweight division is where the most championships have been taken by Filipinos. Suganov, sinusubok-subukan pa rin kung gaano katibay ang sikmura at saka itong ulo ng kanyang kalaban from Japan. 1 minute remaining here, the opening round scheduled for 12. And you can see no matter where you go, Filipinos are very astute about boxing. Alam nila kung maganda ang pinakita, alam din nila kung medyo nadedehado, medyo there's a lot of buzz going around after that power shot coming from Ishizawa. It's Ishizawa's turn right now to try and take the advantage. By our unofficial scorecard, Suganov is leading in this round. Let's see what kind of finishing kick this 27-year-old from Japan has. Ishizawa absorbing some punishment. That's a left hook to the head. More shots to the head coming from Suganov. Final seconds of round number 1.
Sa round 2 ay naging agresibo na itong si Ishizawa, na kahit nakakalamang nga sa reach at height advantage itong ating kababayan, ay wala itong pakundangan na pumapasok sa depensa nitong ating kababayan. Naging isang pressure fighter na po itong si Ishizawa, na talagang pilit na nilalagay sa corner ang Pinoy na kanyang kalaban.
Not really solid blows, but those are scoring blows. Mukhang may konting dugo na tayo nakikita rito sa ulo nitong si Suganov. There may have been a headbutt somewhere. That would be unfortunate if that cut gets bigger, if it is a cut at all. Ishizawa still moving forward, trying to control the ring generalship here. Siyempre sa pagbubukas sa round number 2, buhos ka agad ang pinigay dito ni Filipino phenom Reggie Suganov. The record of 14-1, trying to defend this WBO Global Light Flyweight Championship. Kapaan na naman silang dalawa rito. Now trying to go for the body, Ishizawa, which could be a good idea against a taller fighter. Tanda po natin that Ishizawa only a shade above 5'1", but he's got a lot of power. Good center of gravity. 5'5" naman po listed height nitong si Reggie Suganov. Halfway mark of round number 2 scheduled for 12. Now body shots being exchanged by both fighters. Again, plowing forward pa rin. Ito po si Ishizawa of Japan, the challenger in the pink trunks. Exchange of jabs. No follow-ups yet so far for Ishizawa, and it appears that Suganov has now tasted how powerful those punches can be. Mukhang hindi niya pa masyadong iniinda. Again, Ishizawa trying to go for as many body blows as he can, trying to soften up his opponent. He's got a 4-inch reach advantage, 4-inch height advantage, and about a 4-inch reach advantage as well. Shots to the body. Better defense actually here for Ishizawa, pero nakakalusot pa rin. Ito si Suganov as we now enter the final 30 seconds of round number 2. The counter from Suganov to the head. So far, the strategy of the Japanese fighters just plow forward and try to go for the body. Final 10 seconds of the round. Still more body shots being thrown by Ishizawa.
Naging maingat itong si Reggie Suganov dito sa kanyang mga nagiging hakbang dahil sa nire-respeto nito ang lakas ng Hapon kung sumontok. Kaya naman hindi basta-basta bumabato ng solidong suntok itong si Suganov. Ito ay dahil sa may kausayan din kasi sa paggamit ng counter ang Hapon na kanyang kalaban, na maaring maging mitsa ng kanyang pagkatalo dito sa kanilang nagiging laban.
4-inch reach advantage. He has a 4-inch height advantage over his opponent. And again, itong si Ishizawa is just trying to make inroads in the junior flyweight division after campaigning most of his career as a minimum weight. Both fighters came in at 107.2 pounds. That's a lot more muscle though for Ishizawa. Oh! Ishizawa got staggered there by the left hook coming from Suganov, and another one! Ishizawa is down! Ready to fight now siya. The blood is coming out of Suganov's head, and Ishizawa smells the blood, wants to get it back. Oh, great right coming from Ishizawa. Napatras to si Suganov. Ishizawa missing. Less than a minute remaining here in this pivotal 8th round. One knockdown scored already, so this is a 10-8 round for Suganov. The question is, can Ishizawa get the knockdown back? That right hand earlier sent Suganov backwards. Nakabawi na ba? 3-punch combination, all power shots. Another connection to the head. And throwing in the towel. The sound of Ishizawa. It's over.
Padidiin po na suntok ang pinakawalan ni Suganov sa kanyang Hapon na nakalaban. Yanig ang Hapon sa bawat suntok na binato nitong si Suganov, na naging pangunahing dahilan kung bakit naka-stretcher nang nilabas itong si Zai Ishizawa. Kaya naman din sa laban na ito ay nanalo ang ating kababayan by round 8 technical knockout, na kung saan ay napanatili nitong si Reggie Suganov sa kanyang mga kamay ang kanyang titulong pinanghahawakan.